and he's made mention of chi, being the spirit self, being I believe that's what you said, that your chi
Mm.
is your spirit self, right?
Mm.
And your chi connects you to Chuku, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
And I told him that, look, if you're looking, they were making the arguments that concept like the Holy Trinity, how can I say it is not what it is? And I said, look, we existed before this new
Mm-hmm.
religion,
Of
and we have
course.
concepts of Trinity even
Mm.
within our tradition. Now, that do you know that as a father, you have a son. Now, your blood is running within you and is running within your son. Your
I did
connection
tell you.
to that your son is your blood.
I did
That's
tell
you,
you.
your blood, and your child. That's the
Mm-hmm.
Trinity.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you look at Chuku, your chi, and you,
I did tell you.
you're not looking at some person somewhere.
I
You're
swear.
now seeing yourself
You.
within that Trinity.
I did tell you.
You, your chi, and
Makachukwu.
Chuku, the
Straight up.
water.
Nnabuchi.
Now, why would you substitute your
Binamsi.
direct connection